In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a title from the Continue Watching list on Amazon Prime Video. Once you're in, scroll down through the homepage until you find the Continue Watching tab. This section displays the recent content you've watched and is eagerly waiting for you to pick up right where you left off. It's convenient when you're following a series, but not so much if it features a show you tried once and never intend to revisit. Now, hover your mouse over the movie or series tile that you wish to remove. As you hover, you should notice that the display will reveal some options without you needing to click on the title. This feature is designed to give you quick access to management options for your viewing content. Look for the option that says Remove from Continue Watching or something similar. It should appear either as a small icon, usually in the upper corner, or as text that you can click on. This is what you'll need to click to remove the title. Go ahead and click it, and just like that, the unwanted title should disappear from your Continue Watching list. And that's all there is to it. With these simple steps, you can now tidily manage your Continue Watching section, ensuring it only contains the shows and films you're currently keen on exploring. This can make your browsing experience more pleasurable and reduce unnecessary clutter, letting you focus on the content that truly captures your interest. Remember, you can repeat these steps for any other title you want to remove from this list in the future. I hope this guide has been helpful in clearing up some space and keeping your Prime Video dashboard as clean and efficient as possible. If you found this video useful, feel free to give it a like or share it with friends who might find themselves in the same situation. Thanks for watching and enjoy your viewing.